After logging in, look for the tension or sensation. Digestive clash. Coffee contains up to 26 locked-in choices. 0.5. Switch off the power and unplug the unit completely before adding water to an air cooler to prevent fatal electrical shocks. Why this happens: water is an excellent conductor of electricity. When you pour water into a running air cooler, any internal wiring damage, manufacturing defect, or accidental spillage onto the motor or electrical joints can instantly electrify the water stream, the outer body of the cooler, or the puddle of water you are standing in. This creates an immediate path for high-voltage current to pass through your body, causing cardiac arrest or instant death. Critical air cooler safety protocol: cut the power. Always turn off the switch and pull the plug out of the wall socket before opening or filling the cooler. Check the body. Inspect the cooler body, especially metal ones, for any current leakage using a tester pen before touching it. Wear rubber shoes. Never stand barefoot on a wet floor while operating or touching an air cooler. Inspect the wiring. Routinely check the power cord and internal pump wires for any cuts, fraying, or degradation. Install an RCCB/LCB. Ensure your home electrical panel has a residual current circuit breaker, RCCB, or earth leakage circuit breaker, ELCB, to automatically trip the power in case of current leakage. If you would like, I can provide information on how to check for electrical leakage safely or how to safely clean and maintain an air cooler. Response B: always turn off and unplug an air cooler before adding water to prevent fatal electric shocks. Why air coolers pose a severe shock hazard: water conducts electricity. Water spilling onto exposed internal wires creates an immediate electrical pathway to the entire unit. Submersible pump wear. The insulation on the internal water pump can degrade over time, leaking live current directly into the water tank. Metal body conductivity. Older or cheaper coolers with metal bodies can become completely electrified if an internal wire touches the frame. Grounding failures. If your home or the cooler lacks proper grounding earthing, the electrical current will pass through your body to the ground instead of tripping a breaker. Essential safety steps for air cooler maintenance: disconnect completely. Switch off the power socket and pull the plug out entirely before touching the water inlet. Inspect the cord. Check the power cable regularly for cracks, cuts, or exposed wires. Use plastic body coolers. Opt for fiber or plastic body coolers rather than traditional iron sheet models to minimize electrical conduction risks. Install an RCD/RCCB. Ensure your home electrical board has a residual current device, RCD, which instantly cuts off power during a current leak. Keep hands dry. Never plug in, unplug, or operate the switches with wet hands or while standing barefoot on a damp floor. If you would like to make sure your home cooling setup is secure, let me know. Is your air cooler made of metal or plastic? Does your power outlet have a working 3-pin grounding system? Are you looking for recommendations on safe portable alternatives? Air cooler safety. Immediate action required: always turn off the main power supply and unplug the appliance before adding water to an air cooler. Pouring water into a running air cooler risks